How to create second Google account. Go to browser and search for google.com. Click on your profile. Here you can see the Google accounts you have. To create a new account, click on Add Account. Now click on Add Account to Device. Click on Create Account. Select the reason. I am using for my personal use. Write the first name. Also write last name. Click on Next. Confirm your birthday and gender. Click on Next. Pick the Gmail name from suggestions, or you can put by your own choice too. Click on Next. Now create the password. Click on Next. Your second Google account is all set. Review the terms and policies. Click I agree. Click on Profile and check your Google accounts. Here your both accounts are logged in. That is how you can create second Google account. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.